Alrighty, Fake, this video is for you. It's a tutorial on how to start up a helicopter. Once you have your mods all installed, this is going to help you go ahead and go through the steps. Alrighty, when you first hop in the helicopter, what you're going to want to do is 1. Turn on the battery, and 2. Turn on the engine. Generator. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on. Battery 1 is going to be on. Battery 2 is going to be on. Then generator 1, and generator 2. Both on. From there, you're going to want to go down to the checklist. Then you're going to go through this. This is going to tell you how to set up everything, start up everything. So we're going to go ahead and click on checklist, and then go ahead and click on startup. So it's going to give you a list. 1, generator 2 are both on. 2, battery 1 and 2 are both on. 3, we're going to go ahead and go to the fuel pump. We need to turn that to APU. So go ahead and look above you and search for fuel pump, which is going to be right here. We're going to go ahead and set that to APU. There we go. Number 4, we're going to go ahead and go to APU content. That needs to be turned on. So from there, on to APU cont. There we go, it's on. Step number 6, we need to turn on standby instant. That's going to be on. From there, once you completed the steps, we're going to go on to page 2. Ignition key needs to turn on. Turning on ignition key. Number 8 is going to be air hit. We're going to go ahead and get up here to here. This needs to be on to APU. So scroll down, it's going to be APU. Once that's on, we're going to go ahead and switch number fuel 1 to dire. So that's fuel 2 on the left side of the cockpit is going to be fuel 1. We're going to go ahead and scroll that down. There we go. We're going to go ahead and start up. Press engine 1 starter. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Click start engine 1. Once you click that, go ahead and power up engine 1. As we've done that, we're going to have to repeat the same steps for the right side. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Start engine 2, and then do that. From there, once the engine has been all heated up and started, our last step is going to be number 13. APU needs to turn off. So now we had to turn it on, start up. Now we're going to go ahead and switch it on the way off. Alrighty. So systems are all good. Engine's good. Alright, from here, this is where we get to have fun and take off. You're going to want to click the shift key, shift to get altitude. From here, you do a nice little fly around. To go into third person mode, you're going to want to press the enter key by the number pad. And from there, you can go ahead and go into third person mode. Then click it again to go decrease your altitude, you're going to want to press C as in Charlie to get lower to the ground. You don't want to come down too hot because then you'll break your wheels or your gear. So we're going to go ahead and head over here and land it. You got your altitude right there, the little green bar. Arrow off to the right, that's your altitude. You want to just keep coming down and play safe. Alright, now we're touched down. Now I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to turn off your helicopter. What you're going to do is come down here. I'm going to go back through the checklist and then do the checklist for shutdown. Alright, so step 1, parking brake on. We're going to look for the parking brake here. There it is. Turn that on. Fuel booster pumps off. I'm going to go to the fuel booster pumps. Right there. Turn that off. Turn that off. APU content needs to go off. Or on, I meant. Needs to go on. Scratch that. Generators 1 and 2 need to go off. Engine 1 and engine 2 powers need to go off. So we're going to go ahead and go over here. Engine 2 and 1 power off. Including, we need to turn off the fuel for both engines. And then the last but not least, the ignition key. That's going to go off. That's how you fly a helicopter. Don't worry, once you download your mods, you're going to go ahead and we'll go ahead and hop in the helicopter together and I can teach you.